So allow me to have a discussion about 5 myths that we need to debunk about drylands. First myth, drylands are not productive lands. Is that true? No, I don't think so. Drylands provide us with unique products and produces, cereals, animal feed, non-timber products. Almost 3 billion people live in drylands globally, including hundreds of millions of pastoralists. Half of the world rangelands are found in drylands, including the largest terrestrial mammals and the tourism economy they generate. The fashion industry would not survive without cotton coming from drylands. The world is just about to discover the nutritional and health values of fonio, shea butter, baobab, and other cosmetic products, including those that are really produced uniquely in drylands.